everyone, I'm back with another shirt tutorial. Let's get started. I started by importing my design into Design Space. This one came from Etsy, and I created my offset within Design Space and created that bottom layer. I chose to use the new Siser EasyPatterns plus Satin for my top layer and Siser StripFlock for the bottom layer, and that's what you see cutting here is the Siser StripFlock. I cut that on the like cardstock setting, and the pattern I cut on regular iron-on vinyl. Here I am weeding the satin pattern. It does come with a carrier, so you do not need an additional carrier sheet for that one. And then you see me weeding the flock. That one is the little bit thicker, fuzzier, just kind of gives the shirt some dimension. Once I'm done weeding both layers, I always just double check to make sure that everything is going to line up okay before I press it onto my shirt. So that's what you see me doing here, is just lining up everything so I know that it's good to go. That is what it would look like put together on the shirt. You want to make sure that you press the bottom layer first. That's going to be that black StripFlock layer. Press that according to the manufacturer's directions at time and temperature, and then layer the new Satin Plus on top of that. That one is going to be a cold peel, and here are the results of my birthday shirt. Let me know what you think in the comments. I love it. Be sure to like and follow for more shirt tutorials to come.